Hello everyone. So we are from Team Toxic, and our group members are me, Cheh Shu Ze, Ong Cong Kin, Christian, Bryan Cheam, and Jia Zhixuan. So we have created a game for our game design and development course. So basically, our game consists of 5 levels, and the plot of our game is regarding a character traveling in space and landed on a mysterious planet. Then in order to escape the planet, he needs to collect specific items and defeat the final boss. So let's start by demonstrating our game. So this is the start scene of our game, and we need to click on the play button to enter the first level. So in the first level of game, the goal is to survive the enemy waves and arrive to the final destination to proceed to the next level. So we can control our character by pressing AWSD key or the arrow keys. And by pressing on the left shift key, we can shoot projectiles which destroy the enemy ships. So when the character touches the enemy ships, the level would reset and we have to start over again. So now we have finally arrived at the final destination and could proceed to the next level. Okay, so this is the level 2, and then the player is at the middle, the character. So to control the player, you can use the AWSD key also, and then the player can run by pressing the left shift, and then the move speed will increase. However, the player cannot go over the wall will block the road. So also for the bus, so the bus is blocking the road. So we can open the chest by pressing C, and then it will give a gun. So this is the weapon 1. To collect the gun, we can just move to the gun, and then the player will pick up the gun. And then we can shoot. You see that there is a reticle which show the direction of the gun will use. We can decide the gun where to shoot, and then by pressing the left mouse key, and then it will shoot, and then when the projectile is colliding on the wall, it will disappear. So however, the bus is blocking our way, but we can destroy it by using our projectile with our gun. So this is another chest, we can open it and it gives a external HUD, and this will increase our health, max health, and max health. Then this another, so we can just bring it back the bus. Different bus has the different health. So if the bus is more health, so we need to break it more times. And this weapon 1, the damage is 2 only, so we need to bring it more time. So this is a shell, also it can increase our shell. And here we can break another cars. And then this is the weapon 2, which gives more powerful damage. Also this can contribute with our reticle. And then it cannot over the wall. When it collide the wall, it will disappear. So this we can break the vase also and increase our health. So now we can explore our map and explore what it gives. It's a heart. So when the weapon is run out of the projectile, this armor, it will reload, and then it will reload. So you can see There's only one, and then after it will reload back to the 30. And then this is the lava. Player cannot touch it, and because it causes a lot of damage, when the player touch it, go into it, the player will die. Also, the weapon key is disabled, cannot use. So to revive, you can push the P key to revive. However, the max health is 15, but the initial health is just right now is 10 and 5 only, the initial. So you can continue adventure the map, explore the map, increase the shell, card, there's another weapon here. This weapon gives 10 damage, highest damage in our game. That is the beside the most backside. And we need to find a door to go to the next scene, to the next level. So this bridge is broken, we cannot go. It is also broken. So here's the bridge. It's broken, we cannot go in. We can go outside. It's on the chest, we can open it. This cannot go through, but we can break it, the vase to go. So the broken bridges cannot go. They're also broken. You can destroy the vase. And this also even is a little bridge broken. This also cannot. Now we find the door, and then we can press E to open the door, and H to proceed to the next level.
Now we proceed to the next level, level 3. Level 3 is a maze, and here the objective is to find the door to continue to the next level. We need to open the door by walking through the maze and trying to find the right exit. Here there are also like some obstacles which blocks us from going and now we found the door and we can press it to open the door and press H to jump to the next level. Now we change to the next level, level 4. Here it's also a maze, but it has 3 keys to be found, and these 3 keys will be needed to unlock the final portal to go to the next scene. Now, inside this maze there are 2 portals like this. We teleport there to another place. Now we are trying to find the key, and this is one of the examples of the key, where we can pick up the key and our key indicator will add up. Now we need to collect all 3 to be able to use the final teleporter. Now with this portal we can tap on it and teleport to another place. Here we're trying to find the other 2 keys. I found the second key. We need to find the last key. the final teleporter, but we cannot go. We don't jump to the next scene because we don't have all the 3 keys. So we need to find all 3 to be able to use that final teleporter. Now this is the final key, the 3rd key, and now we will try to jump to the final scene. Now we have jumped to the final scene.
Okay, so this is the final level, and we have this final boss, which is a slime. So now, when we touches a fire, it will cause damage to both the player and the enemy. So if it shoots at the enemy, it will cause damage. And now the goal of this final level is to defeat the final boss. And the slime would chase the player if we are in its range. So now this is the exit. You can open the door, but you cannot proceed to the next level unless the enemy count is 0, unless you defeated the enemy. So if it lets the enemy touches us, it would cause damage to the player. When the player dies, we can press the P key to revive the player. Okay, so now the enemy is defeated and we can proceed to the exit. So this is the end screen of our game. And you can click the quit button. And to click the application, the console log will definitely have created the application. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you. Bye.